course, with these coming, well, I was about to say, of course, with these coming from Dollar Tree, they're $1.25. The Dollar Tree ain't even a Dollar Tree no more. Anywho.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, good morning and welcome back to Dapper Diane. It's been a minute. I've been saying that a lot. Sorry y'all. But anyway, welcome back. It's been a little minute since I've seen y'all, but I'm happy to be back. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because y'all don't scream when I show you this. We gonna get into renewing this silk press, okay? If you have been on my channel, I think for a hot little minute, a couple years ago, I tried to do my own silk press when I had a lot of more hair than this. So yeah, we're gonna attempt it. First step, washing. This is what I'm going to be washing with. If it's flipped, I'm gonna flip it around. But yeah, I saw this at Dollar Tree. Y'all, this whole video is gonna be like affordable stuff because yeah, we balling on a budget. And when I seen that it was talking about no frizz and whatever, I was just like, okay, cool. I'm gonna try that because yeah, that's what we're going for, silk, no frizz. We're gonna try it out. I'll let you know how it works for my hair. And for reference, I look crazy. For reference, I have, I would say like I think 4B, 4C, more 4C hair. So we're gonna see how it works for our hair type. Of course, with these coming, well, I was about to say, of course, with these coming from Dollar Tree, they're $1.25. The Dollar Tree ain't even a Dollar Tree no more. Anywho, these were $1.25, y'all. So yeah. Okay, so for the VO5, I don't know how you pronounce that. Alberto VO5, I'll say. I like the bath. As you can see, this is just like straight, haven't put any product in it, just straight hair from after washing it. And I'll put her information below. I just want to thank Tasha for still preserving my hair, my natural hair, while doing a silk press, because my hair literally bounced right back. Like I said, this is no product, but now I'm gonna get into blow drying. Once again, this is all from Dollar Tree. I'm still dripping everywhere from my hair, but this dryer brush, we're gonna try it out. Big Glam, it was $10 as we can see. And then, okay, I got this heat defense spray. Once again, all Dollar Tree. And the VO5 zero, okay, so that's the thing I was clearly going for, y'all. Zero frizz all around. I tried to find their heat protectant for this same exact brand and the same exact line, but I could not find it. So I just went with the one we just saw. And then I got some Softy, the oldie but goodie. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna work in a little bit of Softy. Of course, not too much, because for my hair, or I guess anyone's hair, it'll get real greasy if you put too much. Actually, wait, I feel like I'm gonna spray this in and then go over it with a little bit of Softy. And then as I'm going over each section, spray some heat protectant before I go and pass the dryer. I did go the route of the spray the Zero Frizz spray, then the Softy, and then detangling. This comb as well is from Dollar Tree. So let's see. All right, we're gonna open this. I opened it yesterday, but I'm gonna open it for y'all just in case you see this at your Dollar Tree. You're gonna know what you're getting. All right, so check it out like so. And this is what she looks like. I am a little nervous, excited. I have been trying, or my whole life, I feel like I've had the standard blow dryer and then you have to buy the attachment to put on it. So this, of course, eliminates those two separate pieces. It would always fall out when I'm fighting with my hair. So we're gonna try this out. It's supposed to have, I don't know if y'all can see it, but a low, medium, and high. Yeah, I think the thing that I am wondering about is if it'll hold up for the challenge of my whole head. So we shall see. I forgot to put heat protectant. I promise I am not crying, or I promise this is not snot, but okay, first pass. You see her, she's straight. I like it. Yeah, she held up. I really like it. The other part I really like about it in comparison to a traditional blow dryer is like I can hold it and it's not burning my hands. So yeah, now we are on to the final step. I'm so tired of pressing it out. We shall see how it goes. So I'm gonna be using my red classic, not classic, ceramic tourmaline. I think this is like 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch. I don't know what it is, but you can see it's a really skinny one. I had this one when I did my, when I had my pixie. But yeah, that's all I could access for right now. So we're gonna use this. And of course, going back with some heat defense spray right before I pass it through. You see it. I did it, guys. This is redemption from like 3, 4, 5 years ago. Okay, I don't want to like comb it out all the way because I'm like, I don't know. I'm low-key loving the granny curls, but I'm that girl. Okay, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you got any questions. I think, I hope I explained it well, but if I didn't, I'm happy to answer what I did. The true test is going to be in like a week to see if I have truly retained it and like retained my curls, didn't damage them. But yeah, y'all. Bye. See you in the